Okay, today we're going to make a snake, a banana snake. Follow me. Okay, we need one banana, some apple and some raisins. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut the banana down the middle. Oh, it's a bit wiggly. We're going to make a banana snake. We need some currants for the eyes. And we're going to cut some apple slices. We're going to get some yogurt. We're going to put the yogurt on the snake. Like that. A yogurty, yummy snake. Lots and lots of yogurt. It's very, very yummy. And if you don't use yogurt, you could use honey or something like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a pattern on the snake. There we go. There we have it. Our wibbly, wobbly, slippery, slidey, yogurty snake.